CopyStar. Welcome back to Which One Won, the video series that helps you figure out which one of my cover tests end up becoming a control, which is really, really good to know how to figure out how to look and see how these ideas kind of come to life. This helps you a lot with your creativity. So this show is meant for you to have some fun and to learn, because learning and fun go together and it just works so well. Okay, so episode 15. Glad you guys are with me. I see the subscriber base is growing. Thank you very much. Let's keep it up. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this particular Which One Won series, but also to my entire YouTube channel, because you're going to learn so many things. I've got great stuff to help you boost up your copywriting skills, rev up your income, and to really help you understand my crazy brain that has helped me become very successful in this industry. So I'm going to let you tap into my brain and you get to learn it and you get to use that information to make you a better copywriter. And it's all here on my YouTube channel. So please make sure you subscribe and tell a friend or 2 or 20 or 30. Okay, no problem. All right. So again, welcome to episode 15. Now this episode, I call this the battle of the ideas, okay? Because this is a very special experience that I've had. It's the only experience I've ever had. And this was the opportunity that I had to actually go head to head against my mentor, the late Clayton Makepeace. It was such a scary feeling. You know how like you don't go up against Superman, right? That's kind of whatever. But we both felt very strongly. We were working on this product. It was a vitamin D supplement product called Instant Sunshine, and wanted to launch it. And Clayton felt very strongly the way to go about it was with talking about cholesterol and talking about all of these problems that you can have that are based on the fact that your vitamin D level is low. And I had a whole different idea. I wanted to talk about, no. People don't realize, that their vitamin D levels are low. A lot of people don't realize this. So let's just bring it up and talk about it. Just in your face kind of approach. So he thought his was stronger. I thought mine was stronger. I was really ready for him to say, oh, forget it. You lose. You're the kid. Get out of my face. But he didn't. Great mentors don't do that. Great mentors don't need to feel like, you're challenging them. They got it like that, right? So he said, all right, you think you're that good about it? All right, you come up with not only a headline, but a lead. And then he said he would do the same thing. He'd come up with a headline and a lead, and the rest of the package will be exactly the same. The client agreed to it. It was health resources. The client agreed, said, yep, go for it. 2 different cover test and lead to promote this one product called Instant Sunshine. So first, let me show you what Clayton wanted to do. And that was what we call the cholesterol's evil twin cover. He went this approach about mankind's greatest medical mystery solved. Cholesterol's evil twin, why 438,000 of all heart victims die with healthy arteries, and the astonishing new discovery that could help cut your risk in half. So he went that approach, going beyond cholesterol and what you need to know, what you don't know is hurting you. So this was cover test and lead number 1 that we've tested. And then little old me came up with I said, coincidence or color? The silent epidemic killing darker skinned people. And those, I didn't say black people, I said darker skinned people, because this is people with olive complexion. So I just said, whether you're proud of your summer tan, you have a natural olive or brown complexion, or darker skin, what you're about to discover can save your life. Okay, so that was my approach with it. I thought this is the way to go. And my lead was tying into the fact that the darker your skin, the more in trouble you can be without really realizing it. So what do you think? What do you think, CopyStar? I did the great Clayton Makepeace, my mentor, had the cholesterol evil twin, and I had this silent epidemic. Did I beat him? Did he squash me? What do you think? Let's look at his cover one more time, okay? So you got cholesterol's evil twin, okay? That is his cover. And then my cover The silent epidemic killing darker skinned people. Hey, the thing about this episode is you got a 50-50 chance, right? It's only 2 covers to choose from. Cool, right? Okay, so, all right, what do you think? I need some drama here. I need some, build up to this. And then we'll do the drum roll. So we'll just build it up to it and then, what do you think? Which one what? Which one what? Well, guess what? If you picked Clayton's cover, you're right. But guess what? If you picked my cover, you're right too, because the results were dead even. Dead even. We couldn't believe it. Clayton couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I was thrilled. To me, coming close, tying to my hero was better to me than beating my hero. Because I'm like, it showed me that, hey, I'm really good at this, but at the same time, I didn't beat my hero. I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. So yes, the results were dead even. That both packages did the same in the mail. So 2. Those are it. Client can decide which one to use, rotate them, whatever the case may be, but both had the same results. I have not seen something like that ever. I mean, literally, we thought something was wrong. It's like, how could they have the same numbers? Same percentages, everything. So anyway, that was a nice experience. That was a wonderful moment in life, in time, I should say. And I think about that very often. I share that. In fact, I share that moment in the Clayton Makepeace Tribute. So if you haven't seen that yet, make sure you check it out. All right. And by the way, which one won? This is not only just a game that I play. I have an actual ebook that will help you. It's called Which One Won, and it will help you actually get better with working on headlines. So if you haven't gotten a copy yet, I suggest you get it. It's on my website, www.carline-cole.com. You can go to my my tabs. I'm sorry. You go into my e-store and you can pick it up from there. Okay. All right. So cool. That was a little different today. I thought, episode 15 should be a little different. So that's cool. But we're back on it hot and heavy. Come back next time and check out what I've got going for you on Which One Won. Hey, it's me, Carline Anglade-Cole. Let me tell you, the best way to get better at writing headlines and cover tests is to practice, practice, and practice. I'll show you my winning secrets that's helped me create crazy successful headlines for over 22 years. And I'll walk you through my process step by step. It's all in my ebook called Which One Won? How to Write Kick Butt Headlines and Boost Response. And it's available only on my website at carline-cole.com. Get your copy today.